Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn trick number 1. How to find the square of any number ending with 5. So the Vedic formula is ekadikena purvena, one more than the previous. So first we write the square of 5. 5 square is nothing but 25. So 1 more than 1, that is nothing but 2. The next number which is coming after 1 is nothing but 2. So 1 into 2 is nothing but 2. 225. So 5 square is 25. So 1 more than 2 is nothing but 3. 2 into 3 is nothing but 6. 5 square is nothing but 25. 1 more than 3 is nothing but 4. 3 fours are 12. That will give you the answer. So 5 square is the first part of the answer. 1 more than 3, that is nothing but 4. Multiply these two. 3 fours are 12. So 5 square is the first part of the answer. 1 more than 4 is nothing but 5. 4 5s are 20. Multiply and write the answer. So 5 square is 25. 1 more than 5 is nothing but 6. 5 6 are 30. So 5 square is nothing but 25. 1 more than 6 is nothing but 7. 6 sevens are 42. So 5 square is nothing but 25. 1 more than 7 is nothing but 8. 7 8s are 56. So 5 square is nothing but 25. 1 more than 8 is nothing but 9. 8 9s are 72. So next, 5 square is nothing but 25. 1 more than 9 is nothing but 10. 9 10s are 90. Again see here, 5 square is nothing but 25. 1 more than 10 is nothing but 11. 10 into 11 is nothing but 110. So 5 square is nothing but 25. 1 more than 11 is nothing but 12. 11 into 12 is nothing but 132. 132. So like we can calculate the square of any number ending with 5 within fraction of seconds by using this method. In the first part, write 5 square value, that is 25. In the second part, 1 more than 1 is nothing but 2. Multiply this 1 and 2. That will give you 2 again. So 5 square is nothing but 25. 1 more than 2 is nothing but 3. If you multiply 2 into 3, that is nothing but 6. So this is the way we have to find the square of any number ending with 5 within fraction of seconds. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.